Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine. Today we will again learn about long division method. Earlier, you have noticed that you have divided a two-digit number by a one-digit number, and you got a one-digit quotient and a remainder. Here in this question, we have quotient equals to 9 and remainder is equals to 2, and 9 is your one digit quotient. And dear children, remember, whenever you get remainder is always less than your divisor. If you don't get remainder less than divisor, that means your product is wrong. That means you have taken wrong quotient. Okay, so remember, whenever you subtract two numbers, the number we got, that is your remainder, and remainder is always less than your divisor. Now today we will do worksheet 8, and in worksheet 8 we will do questions where we have quotient as two-digit numbers. And how you can do that? Whenever a division sum is given to you, here I am taking 76 divided by 2. How you are going to divide it? You have to recite a table of 2 up to 76. But in 2's table, you don't have 76. It's your 2 10 are 20 and 2 11 are 22. So how long you can go? It is not possible for you. So for that, we will make this method easy for you. How we can do that? We will take, just remember, just look here, divisor is your one digit number. Here 2 is a one digit number. So we will choose one digit number here. Here 76, 7 is at 10's place and 6 is at 1's place. So we will take a 10's place digit. That is your 7. Okay, so now you will recite, because now we will take 7. So 7, I am underlining it little bit. Okay, so we will take 7. Now we will start table of 2 up to 7 or more than 7. So now let us recite table of 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6 and 2 4 are 8. 8 is greater than 7. So we have to stop here. We will not choose 8. We have to stop here. We will go back for another number. Okay, so we will move back. Here we get 6. So 2 3 are 6. So we will write here 2 3 are 6 under 7. Okay. Okay, we have chosen this first number 7. So 2 3 are 6. Now you have to subtract 7 and 6. So 7 minus 6 is your 1. Now this is your remainder. Now remember, remainder is always less than divisor. That means we have done it correctly. Now as this 1 is less than 2, as 1 is less than 2, we have to make this 1 greater. So how we can do that? We will take another number, that is your 6. We have to bring this 6 down and we will write here 6. Okay, now it's your 16 now. Now 16 is greater than 2. Okay, now you can recite the table of 2 up to 16 or more than 16. So here we have 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 5 are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16. Here we have now 16. So we can write here 2 8 are 16. So now again we will subtract. We will put this line here. we have to subtract. Now 16 minus 16 is your 0. Now remember, dear children, your quotient is now here a 2-digit number, that is your 38, and remainder is your equals to 0. Let us take another example. 66 divided by 5. Now here we have 5 as a divisor and 66 are dividend. So now first here we have one digit, that is your 5. So we have to choose here first digit, that is one digit 6. So we are choosing 6 here. Now recite the table of 5 up to 6 or more than 6. Okay. So 5 1 are 5 and 5 2 are 10. 10 is greater than 6. So we have to stop here. We will move one step back. So we will choose 5 1 are 5. So here we will write 5 1 are 5. Now you have to subtract 6 and 5. 6 minus 5 is your 1. Now again 1 is our remainder now, but here remainder is always less than divisor. That means we are correct in this step. Now next is we have to make this. Now we have another number. So as 1 is smaller than 5, so we have to make this greater. So we have to bring this second number down. Now we have 16 here. So again we will recite the table of 5 up to 16 or more than 16. Okay. So 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20. As 20 is greater than 16, so we will stop our table at 20. Okay. We will not write 20. So we will move one step back. So here 5 3 are 15 we will choose. Okay. So we will write here 5 3 are 15. Now subtract 16 minus 15. 16 minus 15, that means 6 minus 5 is your 1 and 1 minus 1 is your 0. Now as here 1 is again we have as a remainder, and remainder is always less than divisor, that means in second step we are also correct. Now 1 is less than divisor. Now we have to make this one again greater, but here we don't have any number, so we have to stop here. That means our quotient is now 13 and our remainder is 1. Okay. Now let us learn division of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now we are having dividend as a 3-digit number and we have to divide it with 1-digit number. Again we will follow the same steps, like here we have in divisor we have only 1 digit. So we will take here 1 digit, that is 4. Okay. Now we have to recite the table of 9 where we will get more than 4. Okay. So let us recite table of 9. 9 1 are 9. As 9 1 are 9 is greater than 4. As 9 1 are 9 is your greater than 4. So we will go for, we have to stop here. We will not choose 9. So we have to move back. That means we will choose 9 zeros are 0. Okay. So we will choose 9 zeros are 0. So here we will write 9 zeros are 0. Now subtract. 4 minus 0 is your 4. Okay. Now as our remainder is now 4, 4 is less than 9. So we have to make this 4 greater now. So for this we have to bring this second number down. Here we have 8. So the number is our 48. Now again we have to recite the table of 9 up to 48 or more than 48. So 9 1 are 9, 9 2 are 18, 9 3 are 27, 9 4 are 36, 9 5 are 45, 9 6 are 54. As 54 is greater than 48. So we will stop our table here at 54. हमें 54 तक ही टेबल बोलना है. Okay. But 54 नहीं लिखना है. So we have to move one step back here. So we will choose 45. So that means we will write here 9 5 are 45. Now again we will subtract 48 and 45. Now 8 minus 5 is your 3 and 4 minus 4 is your 0. Okay, now our remainder is 3 now. But we have another number. So as 3 is less than divisor, remainder is less than divisor. Now we have to make this 3 greater. So how we can make this greater? We have to bring this third number down. So we will bring this 2 down. We will write here 2. So now the number is 32. Now again recite the table of 9. So up to more than 32. So here we have 9 1 are 9, 9 0 are 0, 9 1 are 9, 9 2 are 18, 9 3 are 27, 9 4 are 36. As 36 is greater than 32. So we will stop here 36. Okay, we will not choose this 36. So now what we have to do? We will move back one step back. So here we have 27. So 9 3 are 27. So we will write here 9 3 are 27. So here is your product. 9 3 are 27. 27 is your product here. Now again we will subtract 32 and 27. So we will subtract these two numbers. 12 minus 7 is your 5. Here we have 2. 2 minus 2 is your 0. So now 5 is our remainder and we don't have another number. So we will stop here. So our quotient is now 53. Here you will say 53 as 0 is in front of 53. So 0 have no value. So we will write quotient as 53 and remainder as 5. Okay. So dear students, go through this concept and do your worksheet. Thank you.